Hey YouTube, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my project that I'm going to be putting together over the course of probably a couple months. And I'm going to be probably filming majority of it. So let's get tuned in here and let's get started. And I'm going to show you what I'm starting out with, and you'll see it from what I have it, what I got it as, all the way to the finished product. So this is what I required, along with a few other things. But this is what I'm building into a server. It's an old HP DC 7800P convertible mini tower. I do believe that that's not the factory optical drive, but I'm going to leave it in there anyways, just in case I need it. It has an Intel vPro CPU, as well as it came with Windows Vista. I do have up here a license for Windows Vista Business at 64-bit, and this is the system information here. If anyone out there has any information on this, the breakdown to tell me exactly the specs on that CPU. But I do believe it's a 3 gigahertz, around 3 gigahertz CPU, I believe. Now if we come around back, it's missing the power supply, as you can see. It's got audio out, microphone, Ethernet, I'm not sure if that's gigabit because I really don't know any of the specs on this. USB 2.0, 6 of them, a parallel printer port, a serial connection, VGA, and 2 PS2 connections, as you can see. It's got plenty of expansion, which I have expansion cards over here that's going in because I'm going to make this a file server. So let's go ahead and crack the sucker open. So it lifts off like that just by pulling the handle. And this is basically just the shell motherboard CPU. It's got RAM in it. I looked at the RAM, it's just got a total of 1 gig. But I'd like to upgrade it. I'll show you what kind of RAM it takes if anyone knows where I can buy some. It's 1RX8 PC2 5300. If anyone can tell me where I can buy that anymore, because it is older RAM. It's got an Intel vPro CPU here. I believe it's dual core as well. It's got 2 bays, but I'm going to get PCI Express X1 RAID controller maybe, or some kind of card in there that will let me externally hook up a bunch of drives that will do a hardware RAID, as this is going to be a media storage server. But it is going to be receiving a TV tuner card, so then that way I can have it actually record TV shows for me. It's got 4 DIMMs. It has an optical drive. It's all SATA. Mine, other than down here, it's got a IDE floppy connector, which will not be used. It's got all kinds of ports and stuff on the board. It's very clean. It was kept very clean, surprisingly. But I'm going to find a power supply, about 500 watt, to go in here, because I think 500 watts should be more than plenty, or it might go a little bit bigger. But other than that, it's a great little system. Now let's sneak around to the other side here. Nothing wrong with this other side. The only thing is it's got a little dent. It's got rubber feet, because this is completely convertible. Is I can actually take these and turn them so that they're going this way, which there's nothing wrong with that. Other than I believe I might lose the use of one bay. I don't know, because this is the first time I've had a tower like this. But we'll see how that goes. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more, as well as head on over to my Facebook page. You can like me there. You can also hit me up on Twitter and Instagram. And stay tuned for the next video.